Hey guys, I wanted to first off say a quick thank you again to you guys for doing these videos, for being a part of our student ministries team. It means a lot to me, it means a lot to our students. I want to thank you for investing in the lives of the students. I want to thank you for everything that you do for our ministry to further the kingdom of God, and just for being awesome. Y'all are great. I want to thank you guys so much for that. So we've been learning a little bit about gossip, talking about gossip. You see, gossip is something that we can all struggle with, and we all do struggle with when we really look at it. It's very easy to fall into gossip. It's very easy to simply stand back and listen while somebody else just tells us the stories that sometimes we just want to hear. But gossip, the only reason for gossip is to tear down and destroy. It tears down and destroys everything that God works so hard to build up and make great, and we let gossip come in and destroy it all. We let gossip come in and tear apart friendships. We let gossip come in and ruin relationships. We let gossip come in and tear apart a team. You see, I don't want to be a team that is seen as being torn apart by gossip. I want to be a team that is seen, the team that puts an end to gossip, the team that says, look, I don't want you talking that way about a person around me, all right? I don't want you to be saying those things. Let's go talk to that person if you have an issue with them. You see, if we have an issue with somebody, we talked about in our last little short lesson thing, we talked about in Matthew 18, we're directed, if we have a problem with somebody, to approach them first. And then we're told that we are supposed to then go to a mentor with them. And then we're supposed to go to another pastor with them. And then if the issue still can't be resolved, we're simply let it go. But you see, gossip, even we looked at the first video that you watch in this series, even the gossip, a half-truth is a whole lie. So no matter what, we need to be speaking words that edify, words that build up, not words that break down and destroy, but words that encourage and build up one another. There's no room for gossip here, because when we make room for gossip, we're making room for Satan and his ways. And when we make room for Satan, we're taking away room for Jesus. And if we're taking away room for Jesus in our lives, we're going to find ourselves in a dark and scary place that we don't want to be. I want to share a verse with y'all real quick out of Leviticus. Leviticus chapter 19 is where I'm going to be reading at. I was looking up verses for gossip, and Proverbs is full of wise words about the power of a tongue and about talking about the dangers and destruction of gossip. I encourage y'all, there's a couple of verses listed, okay? And they're going to be listed on this video. Look up some verses in Proverbs on gossip. It's important for us to understand the dangers of gossip so we know why it's so imperative that we not fall in to gossip. All right, Leviticus chapter 19. All right, and I'm going to share with you guys verse 16. You shall not go round as a slander among your people, and you shall not stand up against the life of your neighbor. I am the Lord. Pick up on that first part again real quick. You shall not go around as a slander among your people. You see, we're not called to go around talking bad about each other. We're not supposed to be going around, even if it's true. All right, we don't need to be sharing other people's stories. Even if we think, well, it's part of a testimony. I'm going to share their testimony. No, let them share their testimony. Well, I think it'll help you out if I tell you how they fell and they did this wrong. You see, you don't need to be doing that. You don't need to go around thinking it's going to help somebody else out if you tear down another. We're not here to tear down anybody. We're here to build up and encourage everyone. Everyone on our team, everyone here in the church, and everybody around this town, everybody that we know. So the last thing that I have to say here is we've been doing a good job of staying away from the gossip, and I want to encourage everybody to continue to just stay away from that gossip. Stay away from the evil that it brings. And I hope y'all have a great day. And I will be seeing y'all Wednesday night.